Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a non-working HDD using easy methods. First, ensure all cables connecting your hard drive to the motherboard and power supply are securely attached. Loose connections are a common culprit. Next, listen carefully for any clicking, grinding, or unusual noises coming from the drive itself. These sounds often indicate a mechanical failure. Finally, a simple restart of your computer can sometimes resolve temporary software glitches, preventing detection. If physical checks don't help, let's look at software solutions. Open Device Manager and check for any yellow exclamation marks next to your hard drive. You might need to update or reinstall the drivers. Next, navigate to Disk Management to see if the drive is listed but unallocated or offline. You can often initialize or bring it online there. Lastly, try running the chkdsk command in Command Prompt to scan and repair file system errors. For more advanced troubleshooting, try connecting your hard drive to a different computer. This helps determine if the issue is with the drive itself or your original system. Also, access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings during startup to confirm if the drive is detected there. If it's not, the problem might be more severe. If your data is critical and these steps fail, consider contacting a professional data recovery service. To prevent future hard drive issues, always back up your important data regularly to an external drive or cloud service. This is crucial for data safety. Also, use diagnostic tools to monitor your drive's health and anticipate potential failures before they happen. Remember, proactive maintenance saves a lot of headaches. And speaking of things that last, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.